song like How Great Is Our God. So just simple, right? 1, 6, 4, 5, 1, and then we're doing a little walk up at the end. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back to the 1. So in a song like this, like I can use certain fills that'll give the song different sounds. But when I'm looking at the song, my main chord that I'm using is a C major, A minor, F major, and G major. And some would say the C major and the A minor are the same chord, right? Because they're using basically an A minor 7 is a C over A. Okay. So if we're doing that, we have to start thinking of fills and ideas that we could use with these chords. Okay, so we know first off the bat, we know that we can take a major chord, we can add the 2. It's going to give it a fuller sound, right? Do the same thing over the A, same chord, C2 over A. Excuse me. On the F, same thing, we can do F2, or maybe an F major 7, or even an F9, right? We talked about these topics in our course, how to substitute these different chords, like AP 102. I think we dive deep into this, AP 100. And then on the G, it's a G2 as well, right? So now I've got on these chords, on each chord, I've got 4 different notes that I can do a lot of different things with. So when I'm playing this song, what I'm thinking of is I'm thinking of several things. I'm thinking of notes, and I'm thinking of rhythm. So I want my hands, my fingers to be like 10 little miniature drummers as I'm playing this song, all right? So you'll probably hear while I'm playing, and I don't have to play the melody the whole time, but I'm putting a lot of rhythm in there, right? So that's what it sounds like in my head. So and then when I'm going to the A, same thing. So the way I'm doing that is my left hand is playing these 3 notes, 1, 5, 1, 1, 5, 1 on the A, which is A, E, A. Same thing on an F, same thing on G, right? I don't want to go too slow. Tell me if I go too fast. But so then I'm taking my left hand and my right hand, and I'm kind of just playing little pieces of the chord. So now sometimes we have the tools that we need already. We just kind of need to think about them different ways. So instead of just playing this C2, maybe I'm changing the inversion. Maybe I'm breaking the notes apart. Because I've got 4 notes to play with, right? C, D, E, and G. I can do infinite number of things with 4 notes, right? So I can do just thinking about these notes in different ways. And I can think about them in individual pieces and playing them in different spots and kind of rolling them up and down as broken chords and stuff. Or I can think about them in 2 pieces at a time. So now I'm playing the chord in 2 pieces, right? So what I mean by that is I'm playing maybe a G and an E, maybe I'm going down like that, maybe I'm going down like that. Or I can think about them in 3 pieces. So what I'm basically doing, it sounds really maybe fancy, but I'm just playing a C major with a D minor passing chord, just alternating. That's kind of one of the tricks I use. Excuse me. Excuse me. And then on the A minor, I'm doing like an A minor G thing. Okay. On the F, you can do the A minor G thing again. On the G, you can use A minor. So I'm kind of playing with like passing chords and stuff. is basically